In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the keyboard keys are not working on your Windows. So let's get started. So we have to open the device manager using our mouse. So you have to make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select device manager. Now, once you open the device manager window, we just need to simply locate keyboards. And here we can find our keyboard driver. So once you find your keyboard driver, make a right click and then select properties. Now click on the driver tab and click on the update driver option. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Now you'll find this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, simply choose the latest version, or you can simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you and click on next. Click on close. Now you will be asked to restart your Windows, so you have to click on the yes button. Now in case you didn't find this window that asks you to restart your Windows, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Do not forget to restart your Windows once you have taken the action. For the next method, again, you have to go back to the same device manager window. So make a right click again at the start button, choose device manager. Here in the device manager window, you have to again locate keyboards and you will find your keyboard driver. What you can do is you need to make a right click and then select uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled your keyboard driver, you have to again restart your Windows. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver, the keyboard driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. By doing so, you will fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.